Welcome to the Fashion Advisory's official online membership digital walkthrough. We are pleased to see that you have taken the first steps in raising the stakes and elevating your design and creative process by exploring the vast possibilities within this site. You will discover how your design objectives can be achieved once you have the right trend intelligence behind you. Whether you are a designer, stylist, in the retail sector, visual merchandiser, marketing, or someone working within the creative fashion realms, you will only seek to benefit from taking a deeper look into how our innovative and inspiring future forecasting platform works. You can map out in your mind how you could see yourself and your team benefiting from having this vital business resource as part of your secret weapon to ultimate sales success. So get comfortable, grab a coffee and a notebook, and be prepared to have an insight into the new wave of future forecasted storytelling, delivered to you this way, exclusively by the Fashion Advisory.